Hello all. Our next concept in Python is the Python assignment operators continued in division, and this means it divides the left side operand with the right side operand and results the and assigns the result value into the left side operand. And example in divide and is follows. And next one is the modulus, and this means it takes the modulus operation onto both operands and assign the result value into the left operand. And next we have same in this Python assignment operators. We have another operator is exponent operator, that means performs exponent operation on 1 to 2 operands and assigns the result value into the left operand. And next we have same in this same concept we have another operator, assignment operator called float division. It performs the float division operation on 2 operands and assigns the result value into the left operand. Thank you.